Good day, grade 9 students. So today I'm going to discuss to you the argumentative text and the persuasive text. So let us have our objective this day. Okay, you're going to define argumentative and the persuasive text, and you're going to extract the important information from an argumentative text. Okay, so let us ready. Okay, let us define first the argument. What is an argument? So argument is a reason or set of reasons given with the aim of persuading others that an action or idea is right or wrong. So according to this definition, argument is a reason. Reason meaning it is a different kind of reason that given with the aim of persuading others. It is not an ordinary reason, rather it is a kind of reason that's supported with a facts, statistics, or anything that can uplift or push the argument or the idea, whether it is right or wrong. Also, according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, argument is also a coherent series of reasons, statements, or facts intended to support or establish a point of view. So meaning, ang argument ay hindi ito haka-haka, hindi ito mga salita-salita lamang na iniisip at sinasalita ng mga tao. Bagkus, argument is a coherent series of reasons that's supported by the fact to establish a point of view. Okay, next let us have the argumentative text. So, an argumentative text is used when you are arguing for or against a claim, or when you are trying to persuade or to persuade someone to agree with your point of view. It does not just present information but also shows the pros and cons of an issue. So, argument, ito yung mga sets of reasons, and then if you're going to write it in a text, tatawagin natin siyang argumentative text. And then your text is, the purpose of your text is to argue for or against a claim, or when you are trying to persuade someone. What is persuasive text? So, a persuasive text tries to convince the reader that a particular point of view is worthy of considerations. It wants you to consider both sides of an issue, but it reveals a bias in favor of one over another. Facts may be presented to support a position, but the writer is not being objective. The point of view is subjective. So itong persuasive text, ang purpose nito is to convince the reader that a particular point of view is worthy of consideration. So kino-considerate. And then some other thing that we consider for a persuasive text is also it is all about something opinion. Ito ay mga salisalita na emotional na pwedeng makapersuade ng readers. Okay, so ang pagkakaiba ng persuasive text sa argumentative text, ang argumentative text, ito ay mga factual, mga ideas, mga statistics data. Ito ay mga data na totoo. And dito naman sa persuasive text ay ito ay opinion at saka damdamin ang nakalagay dito. Okay? So, let us continue. Here are the parts of an argumentative text. Okay, so para maintindihan ninyo kung ano nga ba ang argumentative text, let us analyze the parts. Okay, number 1, we have the introduction. Okay, in this introduction, you're going to use a sentence that captures reader's attention. Yung nakaka-captures ng attention, yung nakakakuha ng attention, yung makaka-hook ng attention. So, kailangan, if you're going to write an introduction, you must hook the reader's or the listener's attention. Ito ay mga pwedeng umpisahan sa questions, sa quotation, or iba't ibang pamamaraan na makukuha mo ang atensyon nila. It contains thesis statement or proposition, that last sentence, which is clearly worded statements telling readers exactly what the writers intended to do in the essay. So, kailangan ito ay may thesis statement. Hindi pwedeng basta-basta lamang. Body. Okay, next, body. It contains paragraph supporting details. So, narito na sa body yung mga details, evidences, articles, studies, and statistic. So, hindi mo pwedeng baliwalayin itong part na ito, yung body, sapagkat narito lahat ang mga legal basis mo. Rebuttal. Okay, in this part of argumentative text, it contains paragraphs of objections or opposing views about the claim. So, halimbawa, may claim, kailangan mong i-rebut siya or i-object mo. So, ano ba yung mali dun sa claim na gusto mong i-rebut? So, along the way, sa inyong pagbabasa ng inyong module, ay makikita ninyo diyan ang meaning at ang ibig sabihin ng rebuttal. And then, binigay ko na sa inyo last time pa. Okay, so try to understand what is the meaning of rebuttal by reading your module. Another, conclusion. In conclusion, you're going to restate the main points. So, nire-restate yung main points. So, ano ba yung main points? Ito na yung kahuli-hulihang main points na dapat mong sabihin upang magkaroon ng kabuuan yung iyong argumentative text. So, let us recap again. We have the introduction, the body, the rebuttal, and the conclusion. Okay? So, here are the steps on how to extract information from an argumentative text. So, number 1, look for the claim or argument. So, halimbawa, magbabasa ka ng isang argumentative text, hahanapin mo muna doon yung claim para makuha mo yung information. Look for the claim or argument. This states the position in the relation to the topic. So, ano yung position niya doon sa topic? Kung ang topic ay halimbawa ay tungkol sa health, ano yung specific doon? Halimbawa, ang specific na topic is COVID-19. So, anong gustong mangyari sa COVID-19? So, yun yung pamamaraan kung paano mo hahanapin or extract the information. Hanapin mo muna yung claim or yung argument. So, na-discuss na natin kanina sa part. So, nasa umpisa siya. And then next, look for evidences. Yung mga evidences na ito is yung mag-claim with a fact, statistic, quote, percentage, and other site where the information came from. Saan galing information? Bakit ito mahalaga? Totoo ba ito? So, hanapin mo yung mga ebidensya na magsasabi na yung claim niya is tama. And then next, counter-argument. This states a logical counterclaim. It uses language to show that there is a conflicting viewpoint. So, yung counter-argument, hahanapin mo ito at sa pamamagitan ng pagtingin kung ano yung conflicting view, yung counterclaim. So, ano yung claim? Ano yung counterclaim? So, pag nahanap mo yung counterclaim, yun na yung counter-argument. Ito ay viewpoint na nakakontra doon sa claim. Okay. So, another thing, conclusion statement. So, in this conclusion statement, it restates the summarize the main point. So, ito again, sinasummary niya yung main points. Parang yung kanina din sa parts. Okay, so, sana ay nakatulong sa inyo ang video lesson na ito, bagaman ito ay maiksi, sapagkat hindi ma-upload sa YouTube kapag masyadong mahaba. So, thank you very much for listening, grade and student.